Hey guys, welcome to my channel, Khaled. Today I'm gonna make a video about the Samsung phones. That is the fact is about the over-horizon ringtones and whatever, and then we will do like startups. Okay, guys, let's just get started. Galaxy, this is the Note evolution, so let's just go. Let's make the sound a bit higher, all the way to the end. So this is the Galaxy Note 1. It's a 2011 phone. It's like, it has like, if you compared, the S2 has the same over horizon, but if you compare an S2 versus the Galaxy Note is like so big than the S2. This one is like, S2 is like, meh. It's so insane small. Like how just a small phone? This will be like a keypad phone. Like, are you serious? Alright, anyways, this is Galaxy Note. 3, 2, 1, go. Let's make it like this. 3, 2, 1, go. Galaxy Note 2 has an S pen. Galaxy Note 2. Galaxy Note 4, 2004. And my phone is actually Galaxy Note 4. Today Alright. Galaxy Note 9 with no picture actually. Alright, that video is done. Now let's go to our startup sounds, like the boot animation. And this is the S9. Wait, I want to show you a picture because there is no picture on it on the video. So, there's different phones. There's this one is actually gonna be this one. This looks cool. This is the Galaxy Note 9, and then the camera. Where's the one with the cameras? Yeah, this one has the cameras. This is actually my dad's phone. It's a blue one, not the pink one, or purple or black or whatever. Alright, let's go to the boot animations. Galaxy Note. We can Note boot animation. Boot animation. Which one? No, not 2 to 8. Not 1 to 9. That's awesome. The first phone, the Galaxy Note phone. Galaxy Note. Alright, let's see. Galaxy Note 2. This is the S Pen for it, right here. But I actually like that. I want to try again. That was kind of fast. I actually like it. Whoa! That spires super fast, and then Samsung symbol shows up. That was like a brush. That was insane. Galaxy Note 3. Lollipop. This is like the normal one, like the Note 2, but it has a lollipop. The Note 5 and 4 and Edge. There's actually a new Galaxy Note Edge. It's the same year as the Note 4. See, this is the Note Edge, the black one. This is a startup sound. But the Note 5 is the same thing, lollipop, different sound. Yeah, this is the sound. Alright, let's go. Alright, next one, Galaxy Note 7. Ooh, there's like a white one, black one, and blue one. That's nice. Or the silver. Yeah, actually saves the name in the bottom, which is actually nice. Galaxy Note 8 and the FE, like the Note Edge. So Note 3, Note 4, Note Edge has basically the same start. The ringtones. Notation FE, which is a fan edition. Galaxy now for the Galaxy Note 9, and then that's it. It's actually a Note 10. It's actually released. Yeah, that's it. Alright, there's actually a startup sound 1, there's a startup sound 2, by the way, so let's just see it. I feel like it's, I don't know what's the start. I feel like its animation is going to be saying like Note 89, but let me show you the over horizon. Oh my god. The over horizon for the Galaxy Note 10. Tracks, Galaxy Note 10. Basically, yeah, let's just go back to it. Whatever. Basically, this is what's basic our Samsung video and all that. I hope you guys like it. I mean, I don't know if I can close it or not. Whatever. No, I'm scared to close it. Oh, it's still recording. Okay, this is my phone. Basically, whatever. And we turn it on. Yeah. So basically, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you like it. If you like it, smash that like button, and I'll see you next time. Bye. Peace out.